Hi, it's Keith. I'm in Chiang Mai in my condo where I'm doing my recording now. Today I'm going to show you how I set up to do vocals. Let's take a look. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. As I come in, you can see my microphone right in front. Behind the microphone on the other side is the lion cushion. To my left is a comforter strung across the middle of the condo. To the right of the microphone, another blanket in between me and the sliding glass doors. I have the Marvel universe protecting me from sound bouncing back from the corner. And on the floor, I have a nice soft blanket and some carpet squares designed to soak up some of the sound from that bright tile surface. So this is how I record vocals in my improvised vocal booth. Let's get to it. Let's record some vocals.
Hey, thought I'd make a quick vid showing you the difference between what it sounds like when the room is treated, I've got all the blankets up and the stuff on the floor, and when I don't. So I re-recorded just a little section of a vocal. Here is a vocal, dry, no effects, nothing, with the room with the blankets up. Streamers cross the sky, and by the light I can see the shore. It's the 4th of July. Okay, now here's the same section in the untreated room. Streamers cross the sky, and by the light I can see the shore. It's the 4th of July. Besides pushing that phrase a little sharp, you can hear, especially if you're on headphones. I'm going to play this one little section. Here's treated. And by the light I can see the shore. And here's untreated. And by the light I can see the shore. The untreated one is just a little bit more woo woo sound and just a little bit more of the room bouncing around. And that's why I treat the room, to get rid of that, because it makes it harder for the vocal to be clear in the mix. Hope you enjoyed that. More soon.